Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Tom. What's yours?
My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from France. So where do you live?
I live in London, and you?
I live in Paris. How old are you?
I'm 32 years old, and you?
I'm 28. What do you do?
I'm an English tutor. How about you?
I'm a Spanish teacher. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have 2 brothers. Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. What's your favorite food?
I love sushi. What's yours?
I really like pasta. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. What about you? Also, do you have a dream job?
I'm from London. Also, yes, I do. What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist, and you?
I want to be a tutor. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online. Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to the United States and Canada. What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person. What's your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day. Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing. Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's yours?
I love apples. What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee. Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach. Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family. Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things. Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums. Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano. What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose. Do you like watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden. What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather, and you?
I enjoy rainy days. Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts. Do you prefer working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes. What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake. Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea. Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I like learning new things, mainly things around personal development.
Same here. It was really nice talking to you, Sarah.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Hannah. I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.